Assalamualaikum all. Today is our first lecture on Introduction to Environmental Sciences. As far as concept of environmental sciences is concerned, it is not restricted to any particular field of science as it covers the entire nature. But without knowing the concept of environment, we won't be able to understand the concept of environmental sciences. So the first question that flash in our mind is what is environment? So what comes to your mind when you think the word environment? The term environment is derived from French word environner, which means surrounding. It refers to an aggregate of all conditions that affect the existence, growth and welfare of an organism or a group of organisms. The surrounding or condition in which a person, animal or plant lives or operates is called an environment. So the simplest thing which one can say about an environment is a surrounding. Alright, here let us just assume that we all are sitting in park. Anything and everything we can see in park are all part of our environment. Now let us just list down few things that we see in park, like people sitting or walking around, children playing, the lush green grasses, plants, trees, the tiny insect, the birds, the branches, the swings, slides, etc. These are few objects which are placed near or around us and all are part of our surrounding. A surrounding can also be like a locality, like some place where the park is located. It can be a country and in a much broader term a planet Earth itself. Environment can be classified into two components, biotic and abiotic component. The term bio means life. Biotic components have life in them, or we can say that they perform various life processes like eating, breathing, reproduction, etc. So we call them all living organisms, while abiotic components has not life in them. There are two types of environment, the natural environment and the man-made environment. The natural environment encompasses